In today's quick tip, let me show you how you can change your mouse pointer color on your Mac. So let's get to it. So as you see here, I have my Mac open up. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over here to System Preferences. And I'm going to want to change my mouse pointer. You see how it's black with a white trim around it? Well, I want to, and by the way, that's the default. Whenever you have your Mac, that's your default. So I'm going to want to go here to Accessibility because I want to change the color of that. Maybe I just want it to look, I don't know, different, more noticeable, right? So now I'm going to go here to Display. Then I'm going to go over here to Pointer. And here I have pointer outline color, so that's the white that goes around it. And then the pointer fill color, which is the black in here, right? So that's the way it's set up, white and black. Okay. Now, maybe I want to change that. So if I go here and I go to my color swatch here and I say, well, I want the inside of that, the black part, to be pink. Okay. Now, if you notice, it didn't change, did it? Well, if you go over here and click on the pointer outline color, now it has changed. Okay. Now, you can keep it the same as the white around it like that, or you can maybe even change it, the outside to green with the pink inside, or what have you, right? And let's say you say, well, that's kind of cool, but man, I don't really care about that. And you want to go back to the way it was. You can always just hit reset here and it will return it back to the original default. Okay? I hope you all enjoyed this episode. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel as well as hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week. And I'll catch you next episode. Take care. Bye.